Ito yung na-mention ni Miss Violeta Constantino, then Department Manager ng Land Bank Shaw Boulevard when she testified. Do you confirm this practice?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
The question is misleading, Your Honor. There's no testimony as to unusual amount, Your Honor.
Sino ang nag-utos ng pagmamadali ng pag-encash ng checking yan, 125 million sa araw na yan?
Objection,
Wala
Your
po,
Honor.
Your Honor.
Misleading.
Objection is sustained again,
Okay,
counsel.
now.
There is no base. The pagmamadali did not come from the witness, counsel. It came from your question.
Your Honor, please.
Sa mga hindi pa ho nakakaalam ha, 125 million yung di umanong binulsa ni BP Sara na confidential fund sa loob ng 11 days. Okay? Sa loob ng 11 days dito ho, 16 days pa lang for 425 million na ho tayo. Di ho natin maintindihan yung math. The math is not mathing, ika nga. Di ba pambira? Nahanap natin 125 million. Di umanaw ginastos ni BP Sara sa 11 days. Ngayon naman sa impeachment habang hinahanap natin 16 day na for 425 million na ho tayo. Palakpakan ho natin ang ating gobyerno. Ibang klase ho talaga. Anong pinagkakabalahan nila habang lubog sa baha ang marami sa ating mga kababayan ngayong mga panahon na to kung paano patatalsikay si BP Sara. Sa like at sa subscribe. Masaya na ho tayo dyan sa mga gusto sumali sa ating community. Yung join button na dyan lang ho sa baba. Rekta na ho tayo dito kay Ligutan. Game.
For each specific activity, tama po ba?
As yun answered, Your Honor.
Your Honor, there's
As
another
in answer,
angle
Your
as to the amount relative to the activity, as to the budget that the Office of the Vice President is asking.
It's the
Your
same
Honor,
point, Your Honor.
Same point, counsel.
Okay,
Move on. We
move
get
on.
we get
Now.
what you have established.
Thank you so much. Now, therefore, Madam Witness, yung Office of the Vice President can just include, pwedeng i-include, isama ng Office of the Vice President sa liquidation reports ng kahit anong activity so long as ililabel siya na parte ng broad good governance program. Do you want me to repeat the question or you can answer now?
Taas kayo mong
I
question,
will.
Your Honor. Pwede
I will.
ang tawag ani, i-clarify, Your
Yes.
Honor.
Your Honor, if the court may allow, I will repeat the question.
Please,
Therefore, Madam, kasi nga walang breakdown, in draft, sa paggawa nyo ng liquidation reports, pwede yung isama doon sa liquidation report ng kahit anong aktibidad so long as sasabihin nyo parte yan ng good governance program. Tama
Objection,
po
Your
ba?
Honor.
What's the basis?
What's the objection, counsel?
Misleading and speculative, Your Honor.
How
It's not, counsel. In fact, I think that's one of the questions some of the senator judges will ask. Ma'am, naintindihan niyo po yung tanong?
I can ask that in
Ma'am
Bisaya.
Gina? Ma'am Gina, naintindihan niyo po yung tanong?
Parang duha man ka question iyang buot pasabot attorney.
ma'am,
Ay,
Ang
Your
nilagay niyo lang
Honor.
po doon, good governance, what's that, counsel? Programs?
Good governance program po.
Good governance program. Ang tanong po niya, so, ano man yung sabihin nila, basta sabihin good governance program, pasok na po yan doon.
Sa report po, sa report.
Sa report lang po.
sa report na liquidation po.
Apo.
Your Honor, kung paghimo na ko og liquidation report, nagbase po ako sa fund utilization report nga gihatag sa ako sa amo ang security officer, Your Honor. Na makita dito kung asa nagasto ang kwarta unsa nga mga expenses og pila, Your Honor.
So, ang pinagbabasihan niyo po yung liquidation report ng security officer na si Colonel Lachica. Tama po?
Yes, Your Honor.
Out of curiosity, may tinanggihan ba kayong liquidation report na sinubmit ni Colonel Lachica o lahat po ng binigay niya sa iyo ay tinanggap mo? Na parte ng good governance program.
Unsa, Your Honor?
Meron po ba kayong tinanggihan na liquidation na sinubmit si Colonel Lachica sa 125 million sa last quarter ng 2022? O lahat po ng sinumitin niya na liquidation tinanggap nyo at sa pananaw nyo ay kasama ng good governance program?
Ang lahat ng mga reports na gihatag niya sa ako, Your Honor, akong gidawat, Your Honor, kay siya man ang nakabalo unsaon pag-implementar sa mga confidential activities, kay siya ang eksperto, Your Honor, dito sa ground,
So,
Your Honor.
lahat po
Kaya
ng binigay
akong
niya sa
gitawat,
inyo, tinanggap nyo at kinonsidera ninyo na parte ng good governance program dahil siya naman yung nakakaalam at intindi, dahil siya naman yung nasa ground. Tama
Oh.
po?
Inana, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
So, let me continue on that point, Counsel, with your permission and indulgence. So, yung tree planting, good governance program po yan.
Unsa, Your Honor?
Yung tree planting, binanggit niyo po kanina, tree planting, good governance program po yan. Kasama po yun doon sa pag-liquidate?
Ang ibig sabihin, Your Honor, usa pa gihimo ang tree planting, Your Honor, na ay gihimo
Ang sinatanong ko po, ma'am, yung
security
activity,
officer, Your Honor.
yung activity na tree planting, parte po yun ng good governance sa pagkakaunawa ninyo na program. Yes or no, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor, pero usa na gihimo, Your Honor, ang security officer, Your Honor, na ay gihimong surveillance, monitoring, Your Honor.
Nabasa ko po yun. Pati yung libreng sakay, part ng good governance. May
Yes.
surveillance din po doon. Nakita ko po sa liquidation report.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Okay, Counsel, proceed.
Thank you so much. Yun yung liquidation report.
Opo.
Now, okay ba, ma? Now, the point is, punta naman tayo sa accomplishment report. Kasi nga, iba yun, di ba? Now, same line of question, but this time, different document. You can just include. Pwede niyong isulat sa accomplishment report kahit anong na lang activity, in the accomplishment report this time, not liquidation reports. So long as i-label nyo lang under yan ng good governance program. You want me to repeat the question, ma'am, or you can answer now?
Durag duhaman ka buka ang question nato, Your Honor.
Accomplishment report this time. Yung kanina po, nag-guess nyo na, liquidation report. Ngayon yung tanong is, sa accomplishment report naman, pareho lang. Kahit anong activity, isasama sa accomplishment report, so long as isusulat under good governance program. Tama
Counsel,
po ba?
can you confront the witness with the accomplishment report? Assisting
Okay,
Counsel, can you show her the accomplishment report? Para maunawaan ng
Opo, opo.
testigo na ibang dokumento na ang pinag-uusapan natin. Kanina yung physical and financial plan, ngayon naman yung accomplishment report. Pakitingnan po at pag-aralan yung dokumento, Ma'am Gina. Para alam niyo po na yan ang tinutukoy ni Attorney Ligutan sa mga katanungan po niya sa inyo.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Kaduhami naghimo og accomplishment report, Your Honor, for 2022.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Kung dalawang beses po kayo gumawa ng accomplishment report, Ma'am Gina?
Opo, Your Honor.
Alin po yan? Yung nauna o yung sumunod?
Ang kaning gihatag sa ako, Your Honor, mao ni ang una nga gihimo, Your Honor.
Yung unang accomplishment report. Meron ba kayong kopya ng pangalawang accomplishment report, Attorney Ligutan?
Okay. Anyways, we can live with one report.
Okay.
For this point, Your Honor, please.
Okay, for this
I'll
point.
ask the direct question na lang.
Sige, Your Honor.
Madam Witness, kinukumpirma mo na may mga activities sa report nyo, sa liquidation, sa accomplishment report na nabasa nyo, na hindi makikita, mababasa sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, pagimo na mo.
Ma'am, this time po, I hope you don't mind po. Yung question is simple, no? So, pwede kang tanungin ng abogado ng kabila. Pero, pakisagot lang po muna.
The witness is
Yes or no?
answering, Your Honor.
Yo-
Let the witness answer.
Allow the witness to answer,
Okay.
counsel.
Yes. May mga activities, programa, kalihukan in Bisaya reflected in the reports, accomplishment reports, na hindi naman mababasa, makikita, nailista sa physical and financial plan. Tama po ba?
Libog. Nalito ako, Your Honor.
Nandito ka. Anyways, Your Honor,
Ma'am, sa accomplishment report, yes, Senator Judge Zubiri, would you like to offer your services?
Yes, actually, not the services to interpret, but it's possible that Attorney Ligutan could ask the question in Bisaya para maintindihan kasi
Kaya,
pareho kami
oo.
mga Bisaya.
Si Ligutan, bida-bida masyado eh.
Para maintindihan ni Ma'am Acosta. And then anyway, it can be objected to by the defense because I know there are 3 or 4 of you Bisaya, taga Cebu, tulo mo diya nakasabot. So you can always object if the translation of Attorney Ligutan is wrong, is different. It's simple Bisaya naman. Pakasabot man ta, pero ang mga tinagalog din di kasabot. But it's very simple.
yes,
So maybe that way we don't have to keep stopping. Attorney Ligutan can ask the question first in Tagalog and then translate to simple Bisaya. Makatubag ni si ma'am, she can answer. And then Attorney Ligutan can offer the answer also in Tagalog. If it is not of course, approved by the defense can give a clarification of what the answer of the lady witness has.
The point of the
Thank you very
Senator
much.
Judge is well taken. Let's try to do that,
Okay, now.
counsels, with your permission. Yes, Attorney Bakel?
Yes, Your Honor. May we respectfully suggest for a court-appointed interpreter considering that hindi po kasi ako Bisaya. So actually nahihirapan po ako to understand the witness, understand Attorney Ligutan, and understand my colleagues who are likewise.
No, if you may, if you will please, we already have an interpreter, actually 2 of them here,
Yes, sir.
that will course it through the chair if there is a need to do so. Some of the words are understandable. Anyway, kindly proceed slowly, Attorney Ligutan.
I will. So,
But on this issue and this question, Ms. Acosta, ang tanong po sa inyo, may mga nilagay po kayong accomplishment report na wala dun sa physical and financial plan. Na sinabi nyo lamang o tinisip nyo lang, kasama yan sa good governance program.
Ang nasulat sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, is yung mga expenses na allowable po sa confidential funds.
Opo, pero wala nga po yan, hindi yan nilagay doon sa physical and financial plan. Nakalagay lang po sa accomplishment report.
Sa accomplishment report, Your Honor, kung actual.
Kaya nga, doon nga lang po nakasulat. Sa physical and financial plan, wala po doon.
Generic po ang sa
Generic.
physical financial
Okay.
plan, Your Honor.
Attorney
therefore,
Ligutan, continue.
Opo. That's a cue to the next question. And because the program indicated in the plan is broad and general, generic sabi nyo, so much discretion is given to the office of the Vice President on how to utilize confidential funds. Translate into Tagalog. Unfortunately, I'll be needing, ano pong ibig sabihin, what's Tagalog for discretion po? Kasi nga, broad, general, yung program nakasulat sa PFP. Okay? Maski ano na lang, kahit anong gustong gawin, magagawa. Oh, wait, natitan. Ng Office of the Vice President sa paggamit ng confidential funds. You want to translate in Visaya po? Kay tungod, generic, ang programa nakasulat sa plano bisag unsa. So much discretion. Ma'am, I think you understand discretion, di po ba?
Authority?
Dako ang pagbuot sa Office of the Vice President kung unsaon nila paggamit sa confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Objection,
Dili,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
What's the objection, counsel?
Speculative and argumentative, Your Honor.
It's not argumentative, counsel. Neither is it speculative. Objection overruled. Ma'am Gina, dahil po kayo nagsabi generic yung good governance program, malaking laya ang nabigay sa inyo para magsulat ng kung anumang mga programa na papasok doon sa generic na good governance program.
Dili, Your Honor. Kaya
Hindi.
nagbase ako sa Joint Circular 2015.
So ang sagot ay hindi ganun kalaki ang kalayaang meron sila dahil binase niya yung kanyang accomplishment report sa JC 2015-1. Tama po, ma'am?
Oh,
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney
See?
Ligutan.
now, showing you again, Madam Witness, the 2022 Physical and Financial Plan. After you prepared the plan, nakasulat dyan, show the document please, it was noted, Attorney J, noted by a certain Rosalyn Sanchez. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mhm. Yes, Your Honor. The document, please. And thereafter, you presented the plan kay Inday Sara, Vice President Sara, for her approval. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Gipakita na ko sa iya.
In this case, did she provide any feedback on the stated generic, coming from your own mouth, good governance program?
Unsa, Your Honor?
Nihatag ba, I'm sure you know feedback, nihatag ba og feedback si Vice President Sara Duterte sa sinabi mong generic good governance program? Katong imong gipakita ang plano para sa iyahang approval.
Gibasa lang niya, Your Honor. Pag human og basa, perma siya.
Yan. Saan po pumirma si Sara Zimmerman Duterte? Sa parte ng plano. Saan dyan?
Sa approve.
Approved by. Showing on screen, approved by Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Agency Head, Department Secretary, LCE.
With the indulgence of Attorney Ligutan, what is the pleasure of Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo?
Mr. President, I have here the transcript
Ito.
of the
Ito si Social Tulfo, Social Erwin Tulfo. Naririnig niyo yung English niya.
hearing in Congress. Hindi ko po maintindihan bakit parang dito hirap na hirap po siya magtagalog when in fact sa Congress po nung November,
Ako?
Tagalog naman po ang sagot niya.
Oh.
Tanong po sa kanya ni Congressman Luistro, payment of incentive, 11 po. Would you know whether this amounts would total 120 exactly? Yes, ma'am. Gitotal ko po yan, ma'am. 120 million po.
Oh. Tagalog, gitotal. Ibig sabihin may ano pa rin. Bisaya pa rin.
It's all puro Tagalog, Mr. President. What is this?
What is...
I mean, mabuti po sana pati yung discretionary and she's a government official. She doesn't know what discretionary means. I mean, what it means. Dito po, puro sumasagot naman po siya. English, Tagalog.
Oh.
Yes po. Are you aware? Opo. O may authority special disbursing officer kasi po wala akong alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential. Mr. President, tama na po itong panluloko sa atin. Please, Mr. President, compel this witness to talk in Tagalog.
Bako, hindi pwede yan. Hindi pwede yan. Karapatan niya ng witness. Pambira naman. Kala nitong si Erwin Tulfo nasa talk show host siya. Talk show host siya ngayon. Hindi yung pwede yan sa korte. Hindi pwede yan.
Kahit po yung mga Bisaya po nakaintindi ng Tagalog, nakakasalita ng Tagalog, ano tayo sa ibang bansa? Ano tayo, mga Hapon, mga Chinese? I know, Miss Witness, you can understand. You can understand Tagalog, you can speak Tagalog dahil nandito po ito. Oh. Ilang pahina po ito. Tagalog po yung sagot po ninyo. English po, sumasagot kayo. Tinatanong kayo ng English, sumasagot po kayo. Bakit ngayon parang hirap na hirap? Kailangan i-translate sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya, sagot, Tagalog, Bisaya, Tagalog, Bisaya. E abutin mo tayo ng isang taon dito, Mr. President. Ito po yun.
Ayaw mo yun. Ayaw mo yun.
Sumagot naman po siya. Alam nga ba naman, lulukuhin tayo ng nagtatranscribe po nito. Sagot po yan. Kasi po, nagbabase lang po ako sa ibinigay ni Sir La Chica ng mga ibinalik niya sa akin. Miss Acosta, kindly answer the question. Piatos po ang sinabi ko, ma'am, na apelyido. That's all, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Point well taken. Attorney Ligutan, to abbreviate the proceedings, kindly choose one language, English
All
or Filipino, in asking the question. You don't have to translate each time unless the witness requests you to do so.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preferably use Filipino, Attorney Ligutan,
Opo,
as I'm
opo.
sure
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
well versed with it as well. Para
Yes,
mas maunawaan po
Mr.
ni Ms.
Presiding,
Gina.
Honorable Presiding Officer.
You may proceed, Counsel.
Ma'am, tubig. There's water if you want to drink water po, ha?
Yes.
Drink water. Now, since you said inaprubahan po ng Vice President yung plano, kasama sa inaprubahan ng Vice President yung generic good governance program.
I-approve niya, Your Honor.
Okay. In fact, ma'am, yun din po yung naging tugon nyo sa same line of questioning noong November 25, 2024, as shown by that portion of that transcript. You confirm that it was may approval po ng head of agency at saka yung head of agency is the respondent in this case, Sara Zimmerman Duterte, Vice President. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Let's proceed po sa susunod na punto. Let's go to the physical and financial plan naman. This time, para naman sa 2023. From Good Governance Program, ma'am, this time, Attorney J, it can be seen sa plano, this time, hindi na good governance program, kundi nakasulat dyan, socio-economic program delivery.
With the indulgence of counsel, can the tech please zoom in? Yes, kindly zoom in on it.
May proceed, Your Honor.
Ms. Gina will please answer. Kindly confirm ang nakasulat na po sa 2023 ay yung socio-economic program delivery.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi na po good governance program.
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed, Your Honor. But, sa 2023 Physical and Financial Plan, okay, yung expected outcome naman nananatili 2022 na expected outcome. Nakasulat, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building for 2022, same expected outcome, safe implementation of OVP initiatives and confidence building. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Ma'am, pwedeng mas malapit pa sa mikropono para po marinig. Again, may tubig dyan, ma'am, ha? If you want to drink water now. Therefore, masasabi natin, base sa dokumento, ma'am, yung 2023 Physical and Financial Plan, kopya lang. Kopya lang ng number 1, physical target galing sa 2022. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. The document would speak for itself because the prosecution is asking the witness what is already based on the document as the question is framed, Your Honor.
Witness may answer. I'm just not so sure if she understands the word copy. But so, Ma'am Gina, pareho lang po ang nilalaman ng Physical and Financial Plan ng 2022 at 2023 maliban dun sa nag-iisang unang column. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. Now, proceed. Same with budget for each quarter. Para sa fourth quarter ng 2022, 125 billion pesos. Para naman sa budget na hinihingi ng Office of the Vice President para sa unang quarter, pangalawang quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter ng 2023, ma'am. Kopyang-kopya yung amount. 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Tama, Your Honor, kay mao man na ang nakabutang sa GAA, Your Honor.
So, anong ginawa ni Erwin Tulfo? Pambihira. Anong ginawa pagtayo niya? Nagbida-bida na naman? Pambihira naman tong si Senator Erwin Tulfo. Oh, karapatan ho kasi yan ng witness. Ngayon, kung hindi maintindihan, marami ka namang mali-malita. Pera. Mag-hire ka ng interpreter. Translator. Diba? Mag-hire ka. Marami ka namang malit. Pera, diba? Erwin Tulfo talaga. Loloko tayo.
Proceed, Your Honor.
You may tama daw dahil yun daw ang nakalagay sa GAA.
Both the 2022 Physical and Financial Plan and the 2023 version provided for broad program under po sa programs, activities, and projects. Sa 2022, Good Governance Program. Sa 2023 naman, Socio-Economic Program. Pero as to budget, pareho. Yes or no?
Pareho, Your Honor.
As to expected outcome, pareho.
Pareho, Your Honor.
All right. Now, let's go to this physical target naman. In the 2023 physical plan, same observation ba, ma'am? Na nakasulat dyan, letter A, number, identified areas with surveillance conducted and monitored without, hindi po nakasulat dyan yung actual na numero. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Same with the letter B entry, percentage. Nakasulat dyan, percentage, the symbol symbolizing percentage of activities implemented without and toward security-related incidents without stating the actual percentage. Tama po ba? Walang number.
Tama po, Your
All
Honor.
right. In fact, you admitted, Madam, in the November 25, 2024 Committee on Good Government hearing that you have to consult Colonel La Chica on what to put in the physical and financial plan. Do you remember this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yan. The programs, yung programa po, yung mga ini-expect nating resulta sa mga programa, yung mga targets ng mga plano, lahat ng ito ay gawa, ay galing kay Colonel La Chica. Di po ba?
Unsa to, Your Honor? Ay, sorry, sorry.
I will repeat.
Kindly repeat, Counsel.
Ang programa sa plano, ang expected outcome, ang target sa physical plan, galing kay Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your
Oh,
Honor.
what's the objection?
What's the
Ask and
objection, counsel?
Asked and answered, Your Honor. The
Oh.
witness has already testified previously that security officer is providing inputs and guidance,
This is
Your Honor.
2023, Your Honor.
I think the question pertains to 2023 now. That was,
Yes.
she answered with respect to 2022. Ma'am Gina, yung nangyari po ba noong 2022, ganun din po sa 2023, galing kay Colonel Lachica?
Sa paggawa ng physical financial plan, Your Honor, kasama gyapon ako siya. Kasama ko siya, Your Honor. Sa kanya pa rin ako nanghingi ng inputs and guidelines po, Your Honor.
Yes.
So galing nga po sa kanya. Galing
Kaming-
kay Colonel Lachica yung inyong inputs na nilagay dito.
Kaming dalawa po, Your Honor, ang nag-discuss, Your Honors.
Mhm.
Counsel, your witness.
Let's go to that November 25, 2024 hearing. Ma'am, tinanong ka ni Representative Jane K. Luistro. As a matter of fact, the financial plan does not bear at all the signature of or the name of Colonel Lachica. Ma'am, yung sagot nyo dyan, yes po. Pero sa kanya po ako humihingi ng inputs or information with regards to the implementation of all these projects included in the confidential funds. This is what you said under oath in November 25, 2024. Under oath.
Opo.
Tama po ba? Your Honor, please. Ma'am, did you answer? Opo?
Opo.
Opo, ma'am. Your Honor, it's 12. Can I ask one question and I move for lunch break?
Yes, Counsel, you
Before
may.
we proceed to the next question. Ito yung tanong now. Ma'am,
Yes, sir. Ay, yes, attorney.
opo. Sa lahat ng mga dokumento isinumitin nyo sa COA, Commission on Audit, the plan, accomplishment reports, liquidation reports, nakasaad ba dyan sa kahit anong dokumento yung sinasabi nyo na lahat ng inputs, yung sinulat nyo sa plano, lahat ng inputs sinulat nyo sa reporting to COA, nakasaad ba dyan yung pangalan ni Colonel Lachica? Yes
Objection,
or no?
Your Honor. The document would speak for itself, Your
Honor,
Honor.
that's a question the public is very much willing to hear.
Witness may answer. Counsel, let the witness answer. I think
Yes
she
or
knows
no?
the answer anyway.
Yes or no?
Tama ba pag understand ko sa question mo, Your Honor, na sa lahat ng mga dokumento na isubmit ko
Plano, physical plan, ma'am.
sa physical plan,
Okay, sa accomplishment report
accomplishment
mismo,
report,
sa liquidation
sa
report,
liquidation report.
sa certification na successful yung paggamit, tama yung paggamit ng plano. May isang dokumento ba doon? Ma'am, limited po tayo doon, ha? Na ipinakita nyo sa publiko na si Colonel Lachica yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng input sa mga plano, saka siya yung nag-implement ng mga programs, activities.
Yan.
Meron ba doon? Yes or no?
Wala.
Move for lunch break, or please.
Ma'am Gina, kain muna tayo para makahinga at relax kayo. ng
Sige
konti
po.
rin.
Mas better po, attorney. Ay, Your Honor.
Okay lang po, ma'am. Okay, mag-alala doon. Pahinga muna kayo, kain tayo. The court will declare a lunch recess. We shall counsel for the parties. We shall only be holding trial given the inclement weather until 2 p.m. this afternoon, and we shall convene session according to the Senate President at 2:30 p.m. So kindly be aware of the time, Attorney Ligutan, and if at all we reach cross, kindly be aware of the time.
Hanggang 2 p.m.
Ma'am Gina, patuloy po kayo magtetestigo sa ilalim ng pareho niyong pinanumpaan kanina. Naunawaan niyo po yan?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. I need to get my... Hello? Madam Witness, now, kanina, nabanggit mo na si Colonel Lachica yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng inputs, ano yung isusulat sa plano, at saka sa liquidation, saka accomplishment reports. Kanina rin, if the record will bear me out, in fact, nasabi mo rin na siya rin yung may alam sa pag-i-implement ng mga sinasabi niyong confidential activities. Okay, na pinagagamitan ng confidential funds. Now, yung tanong now is, ma'am, empleyado ba? Empleyado ba ng Office of the Vice President si Colonel Lachica?
Siya po ang itinalaga na security officer ng Office of the Vice President, Your Honor.
Yung
sir.
tanong, I think is simple.
Ma'am Gina, pag sinabi niyong security, sagot niyo po kanina, siya ang commanding officer ng VP-SPG. Sinabi niyo rin po na siya ang security officer ng OVP. Meron po ba siyang appointment at sweldong tinatanggap bilang security officer ng OVP? Wala po.
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor, kung may sahod po siya. Pero ang alam ko, meron po siyang office order na siya po ang security officer ng Office of the Vice President.
Okay. Your witness, counsel.
Malinaw,
I
malinaw.
think the question is simple, ma'am. Sa alam nyo, sa pagkakaalam nyo, I'm not asking ano yung designation niya. I think you are more than competent to answer this question. Empleyado ba ng Office of the Vice President si
Ay,
Colonel
pipilit pa,
Lachica?
pipilit
Ask and
pa.
answer, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, no answer yet.
Witness will answer, please. Kung alam niyo po, ma'am.
Ang alam ko po, siya po ang security officer, Your Honor. Yung lang po ang alam ko.
That was his answer, counsel. Her answer, rather.
All right, now. Madam Witness, I'm showing you now yung isang letter galing sa Office of the Vice President. May pitsang November 30, 2023. Pirmado ng isang Lemuel Ortonio. We are confronting you with the documents through Attorney J, and the letter is also being shown on our screen.
Assisting counsels may approach.
Now,
Kindly zoom in to the relevant portion.
okay. According to this letter, ma'am, November 30, 2023, nakasulat dyan na as early as to July 2022, yung OVP nakapag-identify na ng mga programa tsaka surveillance activities na sinasabi dyan intertwined with matters of national security. Yung letter is dated November 30, 2023. Pero nakasulat dyan as early as July 2022, nakapag-identify ng mga programa. Aware ka ba sa letter na ito? Yes or no?
No.
Aware ka? Hindi.
Aware po ako, Your
Now,
Honor.
in fact, aware ka rin na itong letter na ito yung tugon, reply ng OVP through Ortonio sa Audit Observation Memorandum. Aware ka rin yan, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, based sa letter na ito, ma'am, programs tsaka surveillance activities na sinasabi nyo to intertwined with national security, sinasabi nyo na identify na as early as July 2022, and you will agree with me, ma'am, kung July pa lang, 2022, andyan na yan, kailangan sinama nyo. Isinama nyo dapat yan sa physical and financial plan para sa fourth quarter ng 2022, which you submitted December 13, 2022, months after na-identify ng office nyo yung mga specific activities. Did you get the question?
Your Honor, saan po dito yung sinabi mo na activities, Your Honor?
Ma'am, nasa screen, these programs, program goals are inextricably intertwined with matters of national security. July,
Assisting counsel, kindly point it
2022.
out on page 2.
Page 2.
Kindly point it out to the witness. What counsel is referring to?
Sir,
Okay.
ano po yung question?
Yung tanong now is, hindi ba dapat isinama nyo ito, yung mga sinasabi nyo mga specific activities sa physical and financial plan for the fourth quarter 2022, which is dated December 13, 2022. Isinama nyo ba yan?
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative, Your Honor.
Rephrase, counsel.
Okay.
I get the point of the objection of the counsel. Sustained.
Okay,
Kindly
now.
rephrase.
Hindi po ba those should have been reflected in the physical and financial plan for the fourth quarter of 2022.
Same objection, Your Honor.
Ma'am Gina,
Yes, Your Honor.
bakit di nyo po sinama yung mga bagay na yan dun sa physical and financial plan ng 2022? Kung Hulyo pa lang, may ganyan na pala, bakit hindi nyo po yan sinama sa 2022 fiscal and financial plan? Physical and financial plan.
Sir, ito
Ma'am
po
Gina?
ba yung target property alleviation, threats to peace and order, and the promotion of economic development po?
Counsel?
I think the public knows whether the witness has answered the question or not. I will move on, Your Honor, please.
Move forward, counsel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, Madam, let's go to this cash encashment for the 2020 check encashment para sa 2022 confidential funds. Now, pinapakita sa iyo ngayon yung isang cheque may petsang December 20, 2022. Okay? As well as yung nasa likod ng checking iyan. Okay? Yung checking iyan has been previously marked as Exhibit P, I, 28, small letter A, and P, I, 28, small letter A, 1. Yung tanong, you personally encashed, ikaw mismo yung nag-encash ng 125 million pesos cash advance ng confidential funds noong December 20, 2022, correct?
Opo, sir.
Mhm. And then, ma'am, na-encash mo yan only pagkatapos yung cheque maibigay sa iyo. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Tanong, kailan ba na-encash yung checking ito? Di ba? December 20, 2022?
Yes, sir.
And hindi po ba, bago ma-release yung cheque sa iyo, yung checking iyan, kailangan munang iprepara at saka dapat pirmado ng chief accountant. Tama po ba?
Ang nagperma po,
No, ma'am, the question is, tama po ba na bago nyo ma-release, bago nyo natanggap yung cheque iyan, kailangan i-prepare muna, tsaka pirmahan?
giprepare po ng accountant po.
Yes. Okay now. And of course, madam, yung checking iyan, na-prepare lang, na-pirmahan lang, na-release sa'yo lang, only after the required disbursement voucher had been signed and approved. Tama po ba?
Opo.
If you can remember, ma'am, yung disbursement voucher na pirmahan tsaka na approved same day, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Yung date
Voucher.
ng voucher
Opo.
at saka date ng cheque.
On the same day?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In fact, yun yung disbursement voucher dated December 20, 2022, Exhibit P, I-10A. Now, yung voucher na iyan, permado ng VP Sara Duterte, Julieta Villa del Rey, tsaka Lemuel Ortonio. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, di ko mabasa
Can the
yung
witness
after
be-
my
Assisting
name.
counsel, kindly
Kung Ortonio
furnish,
po yon.
Gina, a copy of the disbursement voucher.
It's in her possession at the moment, Your Honor, please.
Voucher.
Disbursement voucher
Voucher.
for the last quarter of 2022, Ma'am Gina.
Primado. Di kasi klaro po yung
Anyways,
perma dito. Ang maklaro ko lang dito, Your Honor, is my perma po, my
Yes.
signature, and then
Mhm.
may perma po dito ng accountant namin.
Mhm.
Pero yung sa gitna, hindi po kasi klaro dito, Your Honor.
Move on, counsel.
Now, Madam, yung disbursement voucher, yung pag-prepare, pag-paperma, tsaka pag-re-release ng cheque, yung date ng cheque, tsaka yung pag-i-encash ng cheque, they all happened on the same day, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
How much was the amount encashed on that day? 125 million pesos, di po ba?
Yes po.
You encashed this check sa Land Bank Shaw Boulevard branch. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Now, listen to this question now. For unusual amounts like 125 million pesos,
Ayun na,
yung
unusual.
bangko kailangan ma-notify yung bangko isang araw minimum or at least 2 days before ma-encash yung cheque para ma-prepare, maihanda yung cash. Ito yung na-mention ni Miss Violeta Constantino, then Department Manager ng Land Bank Shaw Boulevard when she testified. Do you confirm this practice?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
The question is misleading, Your Honor. There's no testimony as to unusual amount, Your Honor.
Yan na sinasabi ko eh. Ang hiling mo pa kasing mag-post-post, yan tuloy nabanata ka nito si attorney. Pambihira, di ba nag-post pa yan sa mga misleading? Pambihira.
There was, counsel. There was, counsel.
Not by the witness, Your Honor.
Not by this witness, but by the Land Bank, by the Land Bank executive.
Okay? Hindi po ba? Kailangan mo notify muna yung bangko a day or two?
May we ask the prosecution to repeat the question,
Your
Your
Honor, please, I
Honor?
think there was a ruling.
If she knows,
Yes.
Ma'am Gina, kayo po ba ay nag-i-inform sa bangko o may kailangan po ba mag-inform sa bangko na mag-withdraw kayo ng ganito kalaking pera?
Ganito po, Your Honor, nang handa na po ang cheque, tumawag po ang aming cash division na Ma'am Gina, handa na po ang cheque at pwede mo nang ipa-encash sa bangko.
Mhm. Not responsive? Okay. Now,
Continue, counsel.
by what time did you go to Land Bank on December 20, 2022?
Mga around 2 to 2:30. Nakaabot dito, Your Honor.
2 to 2:30, hindi 3 p.m.
Mga ganyan na, Your Honor.
Your Honor, witness already answered.
Wait, time just clarify because that's what he said in the hearing. Anyway, so it's 2:30, and then when confronted with another option, 3 p.m., yung sagot mo, mga ganyan. So it includes 3 p.m. Tama po ba?
Basta naabot ko dito, Your Honor, mga 2 to 2:30. Your Honor.
All right. Now, by the time you arrived at the bank on December 20, 2022, yung 125 million pesos in cash nakahanda na, di po ba, for your withdrawal?
Sa pagkaalam ko, nakahanda na kasi
Yes.
tumawag po ang aming cash division, Your Honor, na kunin ko na ang cheque at pwede na ding ipa-encash sa bangko.
Yes. Ibig sabihin, at least, na-notify ng opisina nyo yung land bank a day before December 20, 2022 na mag-i-encash kayo ng ganung kahalaking halaga. 125 million pesos sa araw na yan, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Tama
Honor.
po. Now, meaning, yung land bank na-notify na ihanda yung 125 million pesos bago pa man maaprubahan ang disbursement voucher, bago pa man maihanda, mapirmahan, tsaka ma-release ang cheque sa inyo.
Objection, Your Honor, misleading. There's no testimony as regards that.
Objection is sustained, counsel. There's no basis for that yet.
I mean, can I ask, what's the basis for them so I can
The court
respond?
already ruled.
The ground for
Snobbish.
objection,
I'm asking
counsel,
you,
is
what's
misleading.
the-
The basis for that question has not yet been laid. The witness did not say anything about
Nakala ko pa naman talaga magaling tong si Attorney Ligutan. Ito pala katapat niya.
informing the bank before the voucher or checks were prepared.
Okay, anyways, Your Honor, please, we'll move to the next point. Voucher was signed, prepared, check was signed, prepared, released to you on the same day. So, hindi ba yun? Pag-fast track.
Inaabangan ko na lang yung kumbaga yung paglubog ng Senado kasi malakas na ulan, sa ayaw sa gusto nila, saan naman mapupunta yung tubig na yan. Malamang sa malamang, next week buong Pilipinas ay lubog na sa baha dahil nga ninakaw nila yung pampagawa dapat ng flood control. Na kung uulan man ng ganito katindi, dapat sana hindi ganito katindi yung naging resulta kung yung pera hindi i-deliver sa mga magnanakaw na politiko. Ano lang naman ho.
Pag-fast track na pag-i-encash ng 125 million pesos on the same day.
Objection, Your Honor. Vague and argumentative.
Overruled. Witness may answer. Court would like to know her answer.
Hindi ba minadali yung pag-disburse ng disbursement voucher, pag-prepara ng cheque, pag-i-encash on the same day, 125 million pesos? Yes or no?
Dumaan po siya sa regular na proseso namin sa office, Your Honor.
Being vague again. Now, as the SDO and Project Accountable Officer, hindi po ba na yung pagmamadaling yan, ikaw yung nag-utos yan? Tama po ba?
Hindi po ako nag-utos, Your Honor.
Okay. Sino ang nag-utos sa inyo?
Basta gi-process po yun, Your Honor, on a regular processing po, Your Honor.
Ma'am, I think I have to repeat the question, Your Honor, because she did not answer the question. Minadali, may nag-utos, when asked sino nag-utos, sabi mo, hindi ikaw. I will ask this question again. Yung publiko are very much waiting for an answer. Sino ang nag-utos ng pagmamadali, ng pag-encash, ng checking yan, 125 million sa araw na yan?
Objection,
Wala
Your
po, Your
Honor.
Honor.
Misleading.
Objection is sustained again,
Okay,
counsel.
now.
There is no basis. The pagmamadali did not come from the witness, counsel. It came from your question. She
Your
said,
Honor, please.
Palakpakan natin to si Chis. Yan ang napapala pagkabida-bida. Yan ho kasi siligutan. Ha? Ano ho yan? Partner ho yan ni Jude Asidre.
It went through the regular process of their office. Whether the
Yes.
regular process of their office is that fast or whatever, it's up
Okay.
to her.
Yes, Your Honor, please. I'll now go to the next points. Now, let's go back to the time you encashed 125 million pesos. Pagkatapos ma-verify ng bank teller yung identification at saka pagkatapos i-approve yung pag-i-encash ng checking iyan, di po ba you were instructed na magpunta sa backroom ng bangko?
Objection, Your Honor. Misleading, Your Honor. The witness hasn't testified yet. The
I'm asking for
teller
confirmation.
has
It
verified.
may be leading, but it's okay to ask leading questions because this was testified to by another
It's
witness from Land
misleading.
Bank that she
Don't
went to
argue
the
with
back room.
judge.
Just to clarify, Your Honor,
Yes.
the objection is grounded on that it is misleading, Your Honor, because there's no testimony yet that the bank teller, any bank teller verified, Your Honor. There's no testimony yet from the witness, Your Honor.
No testimony. He is asking the witness on the basis of a testimony given before the court counsel by a land bank official that Gina and if I recall correctly, Colonel Lachica and Ortonio went to the back room of the bank. And the bank officer, in fact, if I remember correctly, testified that there was a door leading to the
Exit.
to another exit.
Yes,
I
Your Honor.
presume.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
I think
That
there's a
pertains to
ruling.
DepEd counsel.
Your Honor.
Yes.
That may be the case, Your Honor, but it hasn't yet testified by the witness. So, with due respect to the prosecution, the proper basis must be laid, Your Honor.
It already ruled. upon, Your Honor.
Modify for this one, counsel.
Okay.
I stand
I will-
corrected with respect to the backdoor testimony that it connected to DepEd. I distinctly remember that, not with the OVP. I stand corrected.
Backroom, Your Honor. I'm asking for the backroom now. Isn't it? Okay. In that afternoon, you were instructed to the backroom of the bank. Di po ba?
Ano po yun? Backroom,
Backroom, oo.
bankroom.
Backroom po, backroom.
Sorry po, sir, ha?
It's okay.
Sorry po.
Attorney Ligudan,
Backroom.
kwarto sa likod o banyo?
Kwarto sa likod.
Kwarto sa...
Ito kasi siligutan, mahilig sa back eh. Mahilig sa backdoor eh. Diba, ang ganda sa harap at pupunta ka sa likod. Ang pangit dyan. Hindi silang dalawa ni Asidre mahilig sa backdoor.
Wala pong kwarto sa likod, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, now. The question is simple. Saan nyo nakita yung 125 million pesos na in-encash nyo sa araw na iyon sa loob ng bangko?
Doon po sa may likod ng teller, Your Honor.
Yan. Okay, now. Sa likod
Open
ng...
space po,
Okay. Sa likod ng
teller.
teller. Now. Ma'am,
Masaya na ba si Erwin Tulfo? Oh, medyo gumaganda ho laban. Gusto ko panoorin to ng ating mga kababayan doon sa pinakaunang bahagi ng ating video. Dito na ho natatapusin to. As always, maraming salamat sa pag-support sa PH Update. Mag-ingat ho kay lahat ng natin Pilipinas. Saludo dito kay Chis Escudero at sa mga abogado ni Bibi Sara.